Good morning, everybody. This is Tejaswi, and I'm here to walk you through a project I've done during a virtual internship in Smart Interns. So, yeah, this project is called as Multilingual Document Extraction using Gemini Pro. Here we see the code. So, this section of the code talks about importing the required libraries. And here we will initialize the API key. And in this section, it'll ask to give you, it'll ask you to give the image and the required inputs. This is to set the page title and this is to set the header. Here in uploaded underscore file function, you have to upload an image of the type JPG, JPEG, or PNG. And here you'll give the input prompt and you will also initialize the header and give the text which will tell you what this project is all about. There is also a submit button. So after you give the required image and the input that you want to translate or want the summary of, then you'll click submit. If submit is clicked, then the Gemini will give you a response of whatever prompt you wanted. Yeah. And if you click submit and if there is no response, then it will give a message that no response has been received from the API. Yeah, so now let's just run this. So I'm clicking Streamlit run and I'll give the path of my file and I'm clicking enter. Then it will redirect you to a page. As you can see here, it is running. Yeah, so this is the loaded site. Now here you have to choose an image. So let me choose this Telugu handwritten photo and I'll ask it to summarize the text and translate it to English. After clicking my input prompt and also giving the image, I'm clicking on submit. Here it is running, as you can see. It will take around 5 to 10 seconds to load. Yeah. So in the output, you can see the summary. It says the text describes a scene where Dasharatha praises Sita for her service and so on. And the same thing is given in English translation, as you can see. Now I'm going to remove this and I'm going to put another, let's say I'm going to put this multilingual text. It includes Japanese, Chinese, and English all together. Now here I'm going to ask it to summarize the text, the same thing, and I'll ask it to translate to English and French as well. So I'm clicking on submit now. And as you can see, we got the summary, the English translation, and the French translation. So this is how it works, and it has a lot of future scope, as you can see here. I've also prepared a report, a 11-page report, along with inputs, outputs, and everything else. Yeah. So this is basically it, and I'm so thankful for Smart Interns to have done a project like this. You can also play it, and can also put another input prompts and get the required outputs. So thank you, Smart Interns. I'm grateful for you. Yeah, thank you, everybody.